Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn how to create this monogram logo design in Canva. Before start the video, subscribe to my channel for more design ideas. Now go to your Canva account, then click on create and search here for logo. Now go in element, and here type cube. Go in graphics and choose this cube graphics. Maximize in size and keep in center. Now go in app and search here TypeCraft tool. Now write in text section D. Choose font Gabato 123. Now scroll down below. Select color black. Now stretch the text upward direction like this. Then click on add elements to design. Duplicate the text. Now set first letter on top layer of cube. Now adjust the letter D on top layer like this. Now stretch each and every point of letter D and set properly on the top layer of cube. Again go in edit shape, again stretch the point. Then again click on update element. You have to continuously do that until you get a final result. Follow the steps. Now update again. Now duplicate the letter D. And set on adjacent layer of cube. Here you have to write B. And the same process you have to repeat again. Again adjust the B letter on adjacent layer of cube like this. Then click on update element. Keep patience and do properly. Definitely you will get a nice design. This process is little bit time taking, but whenever you get a result, then you feel happy. So follow the process. Okay. Now letter B is ready. Again click on letter D and duplicate. And fix on last layer like this. Again go in edit. Again follow the all process as before. And set the letter A properly on the layer of cube. You have to stretch the point. Click on update element again adjust properly. Again click on update element. Now it is done. Now set the all letters properly in equal spacing. Okay, it is done. Now delete the letter D. Now go in layer and delete the cube. So our monogram logo design is ready. I add some text to enhance. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any query related with this tutorial, then comment down below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Take care.